Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can print web pages that are displayed within Internet Explorer 11. However, the process differs between the app and desktop versions of Internet Explorer 11. You may also have some options when printing web page content that you do not normally have when printing from other apps or programs, as web pages have content that is arranged in a manner that is different from other types of printable materials, such as a standard word processing document. Printing a web page from the app version of Internet Explorer 11 is very much like printing from within any app in Windows 8.1. First, display the web page that you want to print within the Internet Explorer 11 app. Then display the charm bar by rolling to the upper right or lower right corners of the screen or swiping in from the right edge if using a tablet. Click the Devices button within the charm bar and then click the Print button within the Devices pane to show the listing of available printers to use. Click the name of the printer that you want to use to print the web page from the listing shown. You will then see the name of the printer at the top of the page, next to a back arrow button that you can click to select a different printer if needed. You will also see a small print preview of how the web page will print displayed in the pane. You can click the arrows that appear on multi-page print previews to scroll through the pages to print and inspect each one if desired. To the right of the print preview, you will see the printing options. You can change the orientation, copies, pages, print size, whether or not to turn headers and footers on or off, and the margins. You can click the More Settings hyperlink to display a page of printer-specific settings that you can change, and then click the back arrow to return to the main printing option pane. When you're ready to print the web page, click the Print button below the printing options to print the selected web page. To print from the desktop version of Internet Explorer 11, first display the web page that you want to print within the desktop version of Internet Explorer 11. Then click the Tools button in the upper right corner, roll over the Print command, and then select the Print command in the side menu that appears to open the Print dialog box. Click the General tab within the Print dialog box to set the general printing options. Select the printer to use to print the web page from the choices shown in the Select Printer list. You can set the range of pages to print by making a choice from the Print Range section. You can enter the number of copies to print by typing the desired number into the Number of Copies text box. If you're printing multiple copies, you can leave the Collate checkbox checked to print the copies collated. You often have additional printing options that are specific to web pages that you can set on the Options tab. If you are printing a site that uses frames, then you can choose how to print the content of each frame within the Print Frames section. A web page that uses frames is not very common anymore, but if you encounter a web page that uses frames, it would be best to select the All Frames Individually option button in this section if you are worried about information not appearing when you print it. If you check the Print All Linked Documents checkbox, you can print any pages that are linked to the page that you are currently printing. For many web pages, selecting this checkbox may cause you to print many unnecessary pages. However, it can be useful to print all linked pages within a main chapter web page shown within an online help file, for example. You can also check the checkbox for the Print Table of Links checkbox to print a table that lists all of the hyperlinks within the web page as part of the printout. When you're ready to print the web page, simply click the Print button at the bottom of the Print dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.